Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and loading the exact page you want to print or save. Once done, press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac to open the print dialog. This puts all layout controls in one place. Make sure your destination is correct. Select your physical printer or save as PDF if you want a file. You do this first so orientation changes apply to the right output and avoid reprinting the wrong document. Next, locate orientation in the print options and switch from portrait to landscape. This rotates content horizontally for wide layouts. Then adjust scale or margins to ensure nothing is clipped. Reduce % slightly or choose fit to page if the option exists. Preview every page in the preview pane so you verify headers, footers, and images look right. If you only want certain pages, set the Pages field to specific page numbers before you proceed. Finally, click Print or Save to create your landscape output. Give the file a clear name if saving. After saving or printing, open the PDF or check the paper copy and confirm margins and orientation are correct. If something went wrong, make sure headers and footers aren't forcing reflow, toggle background graphics, or open the system dialog for more printer options. If it still fails, reload the page and repeat the steps to rule out temporary rendering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.